The recently established AUKUS security partnership among the United States, Britain and Australia, particularly the deal of exporting nuclear submarine technology to Australia, reflects their Cold War mentality, a Pakistani senator has said.
Australia, UK and US is a wrong deal at the wrong time for the wrong reason. And why I'm saying is because Asia needs peace, security, cooperation and prosperity. Sharing, working together. And what AUKUS is doing is it's laying the seeds of a new Cold War. It's a recipe for a new conflict. This is not a peaceful purpose. You're going to have a nuclear armed submarines against a so-called adversary, a so-called enemy. So the intent is not peaceful. AUKUS comes across as a white man's club. I'm sorry to say that. Neither any Asian countries there, and they have tried to bring back the Cold War to the region which needs peace. And frankly, Asians would resist and reject this mindset which is behind AUKUS.